Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Shay White. If you're not following me on social media, make sure you do at It's Shay White on both Facebook and Instagram. If you are not subscribed to my channel, now is the perfect time to do so. Just hit that button right here down below, and that way you'll get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So today I have a good one for you guys. I am going to be giving you an update on my hair growth journey. Those of you who are new, you may not know, but I am challenging myself to grow a waist length hair by the end of the year. So there were two methods that I decided to use with this hair journey process. One was to take hair vitamins and the other was to try rice water. Both are known to help with hair growth. So I just wanted to test them out firsthand and just see which gave me better results. So the plan was for the first 30 days, take the hair vitamins. The next 30 days, leave my hair as normal, measure how much it's grown. And then the second part was to try the rice water for 30 days and then not take it for the next 30 days and then compare and contrast which one performs better. The reason that I chose rice water is because it's known to have many benefits to the hair. Once you either cook the rice or ferment it, it leaves off a starch that's full of amino acids, which is great for strengthening the hair. It also has vitamins E and C and tons of antioxidants, which is helpful. So in my previous video, I shared the results from taking the vitamins. I'll have that linked in the description box below if you haven't seen it. I'll also have it linked up here. And for the most part, I got very good results. My hair grew about 1.5 inches in total within the 60 days, which is really good. I would say the vitamins gave me about a full inch in 30 days, and then my hair grew naturally 0.5 inch the next month. So before I even tell you guys the results with the rice water, I would love for you to comment down below and let me know if you think the vitamins grew my hair faster or the rice water. Don't cheat, don't fast forward, just comment down below real quick. So in the meantime, I'll explain the process for the rice water. So I literally just bought a cheap bag of white rice from the grocery store. So I rinsed it a couple of times and cleaned it in water. And then I poured it into a mason jar and filled it with water. And I allowed it to sit so that it could ferment for a couple of days. When you allow it to ferment, it does have like a stinky smell. So I did add a couple of essential oils just to kind of make it not so bad and bearable when I put it in my hair. Because, you know, I wasn't trying to have funky smelling hair. So I let it sit for a couple of days, and then I poured it in a little water spray bottle, and I would wash and condition my hair with Shea Moisture's Color Safe and Rice Water collection. So I'll insert clips of that so you can kind of see the routine. Then I'd rinse it out, and then I added the rice water. I'd spray it literally everywhere, the scalp from root to ends, massage it all in, and then I'll wrap my hair up, put a plastic cap on, and sit with it for like 1 to 2 hours. So I did that once a week for 4 weeks, and I had great results. Immediately, like the first time that I used the rice water, I noticed that my hair was very easy to detangle. It also was very soft and had great shine. So I definitely saw topical benefits immediately. So from my experience, the rice water worked very well for me. There's some research that shows if you have very fine hair like mine or low porosity, you gotta kind of be careful with using the rice water because it can leave a buildup of protein in the hair, which can cause dryness in your hair to become brittle. Which is why I only used it for 30 days and then I stopped it. You don't want to have too much protein in the hair or it will break off. Like I've seen that firsthand from when I've dyed my hair blonde. It's important to get protein treatments, but finding that right balance of not putting too much protein is very important, or allowing the protein to build up. So despite the research, I had great results. The amount of time that I used it for was perfect. So when comparing the rice water to the hair vitamins, it's kind of looking like the rice water did better than the vitamins. The vitamins, when I measured from where I started up until the end of that phase, I measured 1.5 inches. And now that I'm measuring the lines with the rice water, it's looking like a little more than 1.5 inches. It's almost closer to 2. So I think the rice water did it, which is crazy because it's really cost effective. So just to have it set in stone once and for all and know for good which one works, I will alternate and keep measuring throughout the rest of the journey. And in the final video, I will be able to tell you for sure which one gave me a better or faster growth. But dang, I definitely didn't think the rice water was gonna do this much. Maybe because I had experience with the vitamins before and I knew they grew my hair faster than my hair has ever grown before, but I definitely did not expect this from the rice water. So I'm very impressed. So I guess the big takeaway right now is if you're trying to grow your hair fast, do rice water. Try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. It's worked very well for me. Make sure you follow with my next hair update because I'm going to be showing you how closer I am to waist length, and I'm still going to be continuously measuring the results from the rice water and the vitamins as I alternate between the two. So I definitely have fun doing this. The results definitely surprised me. If you guys were surprised as well, leave a comment below. So I'm gonna insert clips so you guys can see where my hair is right now in comparison to where I started. Comment and let me know if you guys think that I can actually make it to waist length hair by the end of the year. Your girl got, what, 4 more months to do it? I think I can. Let me know if you agree. So that is it for my hair update. If you guys are doing this journey with me, definitely let me know how it's going. If you have any other tips that you want to share, any other vitamins or products that you've tried, definitely share them in the comments below. I would love to try them out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.